Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Ngani Chamli from Agnes.
Okay.
I'm Cameroonian.
How old are you?
I'm 30 odd year.
30?
30 odd year.
Okay. So, are you single or married?
I'm single.
You're single. When would you be able to start working?
Immediately.
Immediately. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
No.
You don't have relatives here in UAE. Okay. So, please describe your last job as a housemaid in Cameroon.
I was cleaning room, the bedroom,
Okay.
the toilet,
Okay.
take care of anything in the room.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You're in charge of cleaning the house.
Yeah.
Cleaning the house. And aside from cleaning the house, do you also cook for the family?
Yeah. Cook.
You also cook for them. Okay, so do they have children?
No.
They don't have children. So, what did you like most about your last job and why? Yeah.
I need more money.
Yes.
Yes, the freedom.
Freedom.
Yes.
Okay, and the experience also that you got from your last job, right? Okay, so describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house. For example, how are you going to clean the bedroom?
The bedroom.
Okay.
I arrange the room, the bedroom.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I put all in order.
And put all?
I arrange all.
Arrange all the furnitures.
Yeah.
Or arrange all the things inside the bedroom. Do you also do vacuuming in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Vacuuming and then dusting,
All the things.
everything. Okay, so how about the toilet? How are you going to clean the toilet?
I clean the wall.
Scrub the walls.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Lavabo.
the lavatory.
Lavatory. I clean all things.
Okay, bathtub and then the toilet bowl. Okay. Do you also scrub the floorings?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have also to put disinfectant.
Yeah, I put all cleaning.
Clean it.
Yeah.
Clean the toilet. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'll call my boss to confirm.
You will call your
My
boss to
yeah,
confirm
Confirm. Yeah.
if they're expecting a delivery or not
Or not, yeah.
before accepting the guy. Okay. Very good. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know to cook.
What kind of food you can cook?
African food.
African foods. But are you willing to learn how to prepare new cuisines?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're willing to learn. So, can you follow instruction in cookbooks also?
So,
Can you follow instruction in cookbooks? Menu, something
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that. Cookbooks, okay. So, what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
I'm honest.
You're honest?
I'm kind.
Kind?
I'm very interested. I would say.
Okay. Kind, honest, and interesting person. Okay, so please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
I'm an interested person. I'm a kind girl, and I'm able to do anything.
Able to do anything. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidCV.com. Thank you.